Hello guys, I found out why the footage got like non-recorded. I had almost no space on my drive. Like, I don't even know, like, don't even ask me what happened. Okay, I'm gonna cut this out of the video because it's going to be the game having an aneurysm. I swear I just moved my head because I heard something and I instantly just did it with my mouse. Oh. Okay. So, here I'm up. So honestly, I think we should just focus on the drill. They're all happy. But they don't have floors. Wait, I should probably start collecting them. That's like look. Oh my god. Is the mic cutting out again? I swear to God. What? Hello? This one? This. I forgot to... Oh my! This is not good. That's why I need drones. Holy moly, it's still going. Oh my god. God, what is going on? Okay, fine. Oh, that's nice, it prevents. They're buzzy. So going to get a gyro top. Because I'm gonna get Airbush. Anyways. No, I really want a teleporter. Oh, I didn't know this happened. I didn't notice this. Looks nice. Hello. If history could smile, it would look like this. Yes! Wait, how does a slime fossilize? Wait, how? Four more. I also need this. I need this. Oh, perfect! Yes! There should be a place here, honestly. Hexagon! I'm collect all of this. When they are hungry, they take away your health. Oh my god. I really did not expect to sneeze. Well, nobody expects to sneeze, do they now? Oh, what? What even is this? Whoa! I forgot which is slime pizza. Versus... What? Where is this? Slime science. Because why not? Okay, that's valid. Okay. I don't know what to do with this. What? I need two more. No, come on. Okay. Yeah, this is fun to do. Wait, there's someone eat through. Get out of here. Wait, no, I need hands going here. Anyway. Wait. Oh yeah, I did buy overgrowth, okay. stuff. God. Pink, pink. Everything is pink. Like, I can only make one? Ah, whatever. The stuff is pretty sorry. Pretty. Sorry. Ow. Wait, I need to... I don't know what to put here. Hello? Wait, there's 6? 1, 2... What? What? Since when? Dervish. Okay, I'll just go. I think it was 8 tabby. I really want a gold slime. I just realized it's the first episode and I still haven't encountered a gold slime. But on my private worlds, when I just play for fun, I get like 1 gold slime on the first day. Still don't know what it is. Something just fell into the ocean. Where are you? Apple slime. What? Strange diamond! What? Wait! I remember the spore slime ate something and then, yeah. Really nothing. Wait, map. Loading. I'm gonna look for slime ornaments, honestly. So that I can then put them on the star thingy magic. Okay. Uh-huh. I'm confused. In there. Oh, it's in my path. No, scene, of course. Spiral scene. Wait, can I fly through? No, I guess not. No. Ow. Kill enemy. Yay! A slime ornament. Honestly, I've never seen a rock ornament. Oh, there's another one. Hold on. What? It takes forever to go from my ranch to here. Oh, I really need that teleporter. Finally! Hello. Wait, why couldn't I pick up that crate? Should I open this? The mosaic is here. And the mosaic stuff is here. The dervish stuff is here. Oh, hi, mosaic slime. Actually. Okay. I think I can go there through here. Oh, see, that's the overpowered slime. This. It's like anomaly. Anomaly what? How did the treasure box even get here? No fire slimes. I really want a fire slime. But there's no anomaly thing. Oh, so the fire snip. Oh, I just doubled it. And gave it to the next person. Here's Rosai girl. Hi. Wait, there's another one? Huh. Hi, Quanums. I remember I got stuck here on my PS4 version of Slime Rancher. What do you eat? Veggie. Wait, it's your favorite? Are you like bootleg mosaic slime or something? I think we should go to the credits. Honey? Why honey? Okay. This is it. I feel like this switch pretends that when one door closes, another one opens. You can choose your path in life or something. Let's see. Huh. See? Oh! It's broken though. message? Is that me from the future or something? I wonder what would happen if we actually were able to go through here. Well, technically Slime Rancher wouldn't be a sandbox game anymore, would it? Oh! Yes! Wait, actually, yes! Come on, fire slimes! Fire, fire! Wait, those are solid. Where are my fire slimes at? Let's see what happens. Nothing. Where does fire slimes go? Hello, fire slimes. Yes! Finally. Do my ears deceive me? Where? Yes! Oh my god! Move. Oh my god! I actually gotta go with Ginger. Whoa. Oh, I need to sneeze, but I don't need to sneeze. It's like horrible. Oh my god. Honestly, they should have made, like deplored receptacle things for them. Like, every single desert slime got one, and then this just, no. The mods that have the solar and meteor slimes should also give them one. Oh no, get back. Slay! Yeah. Oh! I've like no money. Oh! This is what they meant. From Ogden Artists. That's better. I still... Okay, you know what? I'm sorry, but like... Sorry. Okay, we're gonna end it here.